I tried Symmetry Financial Group Reviews app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people get this wrong. They assume financial services apps are complicated or only for experts. I tested Symmetry Financial Group for a full week to see if it actually helps users manage finances effectively. On day 1, I explored the app's interface. It offers options for financial planning, insurance management, and client reviews. Most people ignore reviews, but they're crucial for understanding service quality before committing to a plan. By day 3, I tried setting up a financial goal. You won't believe what happens next. The app guided me through life insurance and retirement planning in clear, step-by-step instructions. The surprising truth is that with the right tools, financial planning can feel intuitive and stress-free. By day 5, I monitored how well the app tracked progress. Symmetry Financial Group sends reminders, updates on coverage, and personalized suggestions. Most people get this wrong by assuming apps only provide static info, but this one actively supports your financial decisions. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. Symmetry Financial Group Reviews app is more than a planning tool. It's a reliable companion for managing insurance and long-term finances. Most people overlook apps like this, but it makes planning approachable and actionable. If you've been hesitant about financial management, this app is worth exploring. The shocking truth. With the right guidance, even complex financial planning can be simple, understandable, and achievable.